News Channel 3 is committed to a gun-safe Memphis. We all know gun crime is taking the lives of our loved ones, friends, and neighbors. And new at 6, we have one doctor's warning. She says suicide with the firearm is having a devastating impact on children. Over the past decade, the firearm suicide rate among young people increased faster than any other age group. Le Bonheur's Dr. Reagan Williams said it's part of the reason guns surpassed car accidents in 2020 as the leading cause of death among children. Williams said it's important parents keep their guns unloaded, locked up, and store the ammo separately.
Even if your child is older and responsible, they still may make a bad decision in a moment. And keeping their access to things that will kill them away really can help to keep them safe.
If you need help and are experiencing a mental health emergency, you're asked to call or text 988. On News Channel 3 at 10 tonight, we continue to push for a gun-safe Memphis. Hear from a grandmother whose grandson got a hold of a gun and what she's asking the community to do. And you can learn more about Gun Safe Memphis by going to WREG.com. Just scan the QR code you see on your screen, and it will take you to our website full of important stories, resources, and some other information, all to keep Memphis gun safe.